Fairfax County Public Schools, one of the nation's 10 largest school systems, is a great place to learn and a great place to work. Educating over 130,000 students requires the talents of many people, including those of an efficient team of support employees. 6,000 workers in 180 different locations provide behind-the-scenes support for classroom instruction. Support services are essential to the success of our educational mission. Our employees know that their work is a major factor in the national prominence of our school system. Fairfax County Public Schools offers employees the benefits of Northern Virginia's largest public employer: competitive salaries, promotional opportunities, flexible work hours, stable employment, and excellent benefits. Although we are a large organization, our school system is people-oriented. Every employee is an important member of the Fairfax County Public Schools support team.
I come from Guatemala. I used to be a budget analyst there. I took 4 years of business administration. I came to the United States, and it was hard for me to find a good job. Later, I came to the Fairfax County school systems. I started as a custodian. Later, I was promoted to payroll clerk. I'm responsible for 4,000 paychecks each pay period. I'm studying data processing, and I hope the Fairfax County will give me the opportunity to work as a data processor.
I have 2 children, and working for food services with Fairfax County Public School gives me the opportunity to be at home when they are at home. I can have the summer holidays with them. That's very important for me. Another part that is important is that I can have good benefits, and that's a big help for the family.
Years ago, I started out as a volunteer in the school cafeteria. I was then promoted to the main office, which was very challenging, diversified, and rewarding. We do processing, word processing, computer work, answering the telephone, interaction with the community, but best of all, I enjoy the children. During the day, we get little wiggly worms from children, and we get a lot of love and warmth.
A people-oriented educational environment, career opportunities, flexible hours, and excellent benefits make Fairfax County Public Schools a great place to work. Let's look at job opportunities with Fairfax County Public Schools. Our school system offers a wide variety of clerical and secretarial work in schools and central offices. Full-time, part-time, and temporary jobs are available. Many positions only require working on school days, which gives employees an opportunity to balance both personal and professional needs. To assist professional growth, Fairfax County provides in-house training for working with modern computer office equipment. New applicants for clerical technical positions should be able to type a minimum of 40 words per minute on an electric typewriter and have good communication skills. A clean, safe, physical environment is an essential part of any good school. Fairfax County Public Schools custodians contribute to the education of students by ensuring that school buildings are clean and properly maintained for children each day. Most custodians work evening shift during the school year and day shift during the summer. full and part-time work is available. No experience is required for entry-level work, but applicants should be able to understand and follow simple instructions and lift objects weighing up to 50 pounds. Proper nourishment is an important part of child development. Fairfax County Public Schools food service employees contribute to the educational environment by providing economic, nutritious meals. On an average day, our food service workers serve approximately 57,000 meals, or a total of 11 million meals each year. Food service employees work between 3 and 5 hours a day on school days only. In addition to competitive pay, food service employees have retirement benefits, optional health insurance, sick leave, and paid holidays. No experience is necessary for entry-level positions, but applicants should be in good physical condition and be able to perform tasks quickly and accurately. In 180 different locations throughout the county, buildings and equipment require service and maintenance on a daily basis. The skills of various service personnel are required to keep each school building open and functioning every day. Maintenance employees are organized by trade into 4 areas: structural, mechanical, electronic systems, and grounds. School maintenance workers enjoy the privileges of job security, paid sick leave, annual leave and holidays, as well as good promotional opportunities. In addition, they get health, life, and disability insurance and retirement benefits. For employment, knowledge and skill in specific maintenance trades are necessary, coupled with a willingness to continue training in order to master new technology. Each school day, parents entrust over 91,000 students to our bus drivers. Each school day, Fairfax County Public Schools bus drivers safely deliver every student to their destination. These men and women care about our children and have a distinguished record of safety and reliability. Prospective bus drivers must pass a 2-week training program before they qualify for a bus route. School bus drivers have 3 unique advantages. They only work on school days, they have full benefits, and they may take their preschool children with them on the bus. Applicants must provide special information including driving record, character references, and a pre-employment physical examination. Fairfax County Public Schools offers employment in a number of technical and administrative support areas. Career opportunities exist in professional fields such as computer programming, graphics, finance, supply and security. Specific training or a college degree is required for these positions. In addition to full-time employees, Fairfax County Public Schools needs part-time, temporary, and substitute workers in almost all areas of support services. Many retirees find such employment opportunities stimulating and rewarding. And in the summer, high school and college students may apply for temporary clerical and maintenance jobs. Whether you want a career change or are entering or re-entering the workforce, the Fairfax County Public Schools support team may be the place for you. Come talk to us about job security, excellent benefits, promotion opportunities, and flexible hours. When you work with Fairfax County Public Schools, you're an essential part of a stimulating educational environment. You're part of a team. An application, interview, and 2 references are needed for employment in all areas: clerical technical, custodial, food service, maintenance, school bus driver, and technical administrative. For information and an application, call the Department of Personnel Services at 750-8540. Fairfax County Public Schools is a great place to work. Come, grow with us.